Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Academia Ambala. Today, I'll explain you few questions of exercise 3.3 along with few objectives, which are: when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now this is very important. You have to learn it by heart. The remainder at every step would be less than the divisor. If this point is kept in mind, your division will never be wrong. Coming over to few questions. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. So first you have to divide and you have to write down the quotient and remainder at the end. The question you can see on the screen. Now when we divide the dividend by the divisor, that is 615, the solution you are going to get as it is there on the screen. We will multiply 615 with 8, 5, 9 and 0 to solve the sum, and then you get 8590 as the quotient, and the number which is remaining is called the remainder. So now you are going to write down the quotient and the remainder. Coming over to question number 2. Divide and check the answer. There are two parts of the question. One is division and one is checking. Checking is done just to make yourself sure that the division is correct. So now here again you will be dividing the dividend with the divisor, and you are going to get the answer, which is 8089 is the quotient and 401 is the remainder. Now for checking the answer, you have to write down a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now here you can see you have got two operations, multiplication and addition. So for this we have a rule, which is BODMAS. Now here you can see multiplication. M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition. So now we are going to substitute these words with the numbers, looking at the division that we have done. So after this, as multiplication M comes first, so we are going to multiply 429 with 8089, and we get the number 34,70,181 as the answer. 401 will be copied down in the same format, and after that the addition, that is A is after multiplication. Now we will add these two numbers and we will get the answer 34,70,582. Now the answer that you have got is the same as the dividend, which means the answer is checked and you have done the division correctly. Now coming over to question number 3. Find the dividend when the divisor, quotient and the remainder is given. So here first of all you have to write down the numbers against the words divisor, quotient and remainder, and after that you are going to write down the formula. Now substitute these words, these important terms, with the numbers that you have been given, and following the rule of BODMAS, you are going to multiply the two numbers 105 and 8,925, which will give you the answer 9,37,125, bringing down 12 in the same format. And then after that, it has to be added. So both the numbers when added will give you 9,37,137. So this number is the dividend. I hope you must have understood the questions and the objectives. Keep practicing and be perfect. Thank you so much.